Give me a few minutes and I'll walk you through a simple, rules-based setup that only takes trades when the market actually has volume. One tool paints the candles by live volume intensity, one prints the buy or sell switch, and one keeps us trading in the direction of the trend. I'll demonstrate on GBPUSD 1-hour time frame, but these rules work on any liquid market and any time frame. Risk to reward stays fixed at 1 to 1.5, so results are easy to compare. I'll show a long example and a short example. You can copy step by step. While you're watching this, Supernova AI bot is already trading, managing risk, and generating passive profit, 24/5 on full autopilot. No experience needed, my FX book verified, up to 15% monthly returns. Don't fall behind. Get Supernova now. Link below. Okay, back to the chart. Open indicators in TradingView. Search and add Heatmap Volume by Xdecow. Add Parabolic SAR by Everget. Add the simple moving average. With all three on the chart, each gets one job and nothing else. Indicator settings. Open Heatmap Volume settings. Go to Inputs tab and set Extra High Multiplier to 3, High Multiplier to 1.5, and Medium Multiplier to 0.5. Keep the default coloring. Reading rule. Red means extra high volume, orange is high, yellow is medium, light blue is normal. We only trade when the candle is yellow, orange, or red. If it's light blue, we stand down. Next, open Parabolic SAR. In Style tab, uncheck the PSAR and turn off Trade State Filling option as well. Reading rule. A buy label is a long trigger. A sell label is a short trigger. We act on labels only when the other filters agree. Finally, open the moving average. Set the length to 60 and choose a clear color. Reading rule. Price above the 60 MA means bullish bias, and we only look for longs. Price below the 60 MA means bearish bias, and we only look for shorts. Execution rule for every trade. Act on closed candles and enter on the next candle open. For longs, the stop goes below the nearest meaningful swing low. For shorts, the stop goes above the nearest meaningful swing high. Target is 1.5 R. Long setup checklist. First, trend filter. Price is above the 60 MA. Second, volume gate. The signal candle should be yellow, orange, or red on Heatmap Volume. Third, trigger. The Parabolic SAR prints a buy label on that same signal candle. All three must be true at the close. If any one is missing, we do nothing. Long example. Let's walk a long example so you can see the flow. Price breaks above the 60 MA and holds for a few bars. We get a shallow pullback that stays above the moving average. The next push builds and our signal candle prints orange on the heat map, so volume is high. On that same candle, the Parabolic SAR prints a buy signal. All checks align at the close, so we enter long on the next open. The stop goes below the pullback swing low. Use a clear pivot, not a tiny wick. The profit target is set at 1.5 R. Typical path. A brief pause while the level is tested, then continuation as volume stays medium to high. The position reaches target. Quick tip. If the Parabolic SAR gives a buy signal on a light blue candle, normal volume, skip it and wait for the next flip on yellow, orange, or red. Short setup checklist. First, trend filter. Price is below the 60 MA. Second, volume gate. The signal candle should be yellow, orange, or red. Third, trigger. The Parabolic SAR gives a sell signal on the candle. Again, all three must be true at the close. If the candle is light blue, or price isn't below the moving average, we wait. Short example. Price trades below the 60 MA for several bars. Bearish bias confirmed. A small bounce retests the average from underneath and stalls. Our signal candle prints yellow on the heat map, which is medium volume. On that same candle, the Parabolic SAR prints a sell signal. Conditions hold into the close, so we enter short on the next open. The stop goes above the bounce swing high. The target is 1.5 R. Two common outcomes follow: a steady slide that tags the target while volume stays medium or better, or a quick pop that hits the stop. Both are part of the system's profile. Our job is to take only aligned setups, keep risk per trade fixed, and let the math play out over a series. Final recap. Heatmap volume is the participation gate. Only take trades when the candle shows medium, high, or extra high volume. The 60-period moving average is the trend filter. Above it, we only look long. Below it, we only look short. Parabolic SAR is the entry switch. A buy label is a long trigger. A sell label is a short trigger. Trade the plan, not the impulse, and let consistency over 50 to 100 trades reveal the edge.